Hi, right. So I'm here again, this time with another project from Microsoft Excel, and this time we'll be talking about a payslip, something that can be used to generate payslips for workers in any establishment. So Microsoft was used to design this payslip, as you can see here, and there are two sheets on this workbook. This is the payroll, which contains the payslip itself. Then there's another sheet here, which is for the employees. I just had to use some fictitious employees. As you can see there, you have some strange names there, as you can see, John Wick, Mickey Mouse, and all that. So the list contains the names, the positions, and the departments. And these two sheets have been mashed together using something called XLOOKUP. So the first section here, which is for personal information, was linked to the whole of that second sheet of employees, such that when I come under the name and I select a name here, like Jackie Chan, for example, the rest of the information about Jackie Chan pops up. So it makes the process very fast, such that you don't have to go and manually start filling the rest of the information. Just select just the name of any employee, Sam Altman, it pops up. Wesley Snipes, it pops up. Sylvester Stallone, it pops up. Uh, Jensen Huang, it pops up, and so forth. So that's it for the first section. The next section there is for the earnings, and we have standard pay, overtime, holiday pay. Now, this is just for demonstration purpose. It might not match the situation in the real world. However, it can still be modified to suit whatever situation you might want it to suit, upon request, of course. Right. So here we just need to put in the hours that the employee worked and put in the rate in your company. So I didn't assign specific rates here because this is for demonstration. But if you have a specific rate in your company, they can be fit here such that you don't need to fill anything here. You just need to put in the hours and everything will be computed automatically. And just to note, whoever is preparing this payslip will just have to select just the name, one, and then come here and fill in the hours and the rates, and that's all. The rest from here and downward will be calculated. So let's do it. So let's say for the month of August, or let's say last month, July, of course, this person worked standard rate of 160, and the rate per hour, for example, is 20. Okay, that's it. You see the other situations down here are already calculated. Let's say over time the person did like let's say 20 hours overtime, and overtime normally is calculated double, that's two times the normal rate. So normal rate is 20, so two times of that will be 40, right? So that's overtime. And then holiday rate, let's say the person worked about 5 days holiday, there were 5 holidays, for example. And holiday rate, I think, should be 1.5 times the normal rate. That's 1.5 the normal rate, which in this case should be 1.5 times 20, which is 30. Right, so that gives that. And that's it. It's ready. The deductions have been calculated and the net pay. So what happened down here on the deductions is specific percentages have already been assigned on each deduction. Now they were all assumed because I didn't know which percentage is supposed to be for income tax, health insurance, pension, and all that. However, they can all be assigned specific and correct percentages based on your request. Right, so that's just to show you that if you are preparing a payslip using this particular design, all you need to do is select a name. Then if you have assigned rates for your earnings, you give them, they will be fit here, will be fitted here, and then just put in the hours and that's it. It's ready. And after that, all you need to do is to generate this payslip in a PDF format, of course. So there's a submit button here for you to click and just wait for it. There we go. So your payslip is ready, and that's the amount there. So the net pay for the month of July for Jensen Huang is 2,075, as you can see there. So all you need to do now is just save this, or you might want to email it to the person or whatever, right? So that was just for demonstration purpose. And in case you have any ideas on how this can be improved or need some kind of something like this, you can reach out. Thank you for watching and have a nice time. Bye.